What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cartel here. If you don't know who I am a curb painter in Arlington, Texas. Not only am I a curb painter, I'm a coach, and I'm also a personal fitness trainer and group instructor. Okay. On this channel, I show you guys how to make money fast, whether it's online or in person. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the #1 hustle to make money online for beginners with AI, okay? And that is vidIQ, okay? vidIQ is the #1 reason why I've gotten so much traffic and so much money flow with my social media. My primary social media account is YouTube. For you all that already subscribe, you know that. And I get probably 90% of my customers coming through YouTube. And I do that because vidIQ helps me with the process of making the video and then putting in proper tags, adding certain titles, thumbnails, all that good stuff right there. vidIQ is probably the main reason why I'm able to make the money that I make. Okay, for the ones that are subscribed, they know that I make really good money curb painting, and pretty much on anything on top of that is just a bonus in my eyes. So just curb painting alone, I make really good money, and this channel is to help you see that. So that's why I go live, that's why I make videos, that's why I make shorts, all that good stuff right there. If you guys haven't checked out vidIQ, definitely check it out. I will have a link below, okay? Click that link below, and then you can get set up. You will be using my affiliate link, so you will be helping me out, and I appreciate you on that. But definitely sub up to the channel. That's the most important thing that you can do, is sub up to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, okay? After that, definitely click that link and get yourself a vidIQ account, okay? vidIQ is AI technology that connects AI to your YouTube channel, which is super huge because it's going to cut you down on so much time, okay? On making videos, on making shorts, making lives, on everything, because it's connected to your YouTube channel and it's connected to YouTube, okay, period. So what is going to happen is it's going to run all that information in its database and then spit you out any information that you want, okay? Now it has coaches. It has like 2 types of coaches. It has a basic coach, it has an advanced coach. Basic coach pretty much gives you basic answers. Advanced coach gives you more detailed answers, okay? I love the advanced coach. I love everything about vidIQ, okay? A lot of people ask me like how I get my customers and whatnot. This is it. vidIQ helps me do that. And if you're watching this, that means you have a YouTube channel, okay? If you have a YouTube channel, you can make money. But you can make money twice as fast by getting yourself a vidIQ account, okay? By getting yourself a vidIQ account, you are going to jumpstart your success with YouTube, okay? Whether you're starting fresh on YouTube, whether you've been YouTube in and out, okay, it doesn't matter, okay? vidIQ will help you overcome all those battles, okay? It is the #1 ranked AI technology that anyone can use for YouTube. And because YouTube is the #1, in my opinion, the #1 social media service out there, I think it only makes sense to get you a vidIQ account. Now, I do post a lot of videos of curbing and stuff like that, but behind the scene, vidIQ helps me with everything, okay? Searching topics, searching like pretty much everything. It does everything for me. It's like my #1 assistant with everything, which is YouTube, because YouTube is my my main source of income because it brings me so many customers, Okay, it brings me so much customers that even if I didn't do curb painting, YouTube will be bringing me customers. That is why YouTube is the big picture. Okay, YouTube is the big picture because it's you could do YouTube anywhere, anytime, any age. Okay, anytime, anywhere, any age, you could do YouTube, and that's what makes it so amazing. Okay, so you don't have to be a curb painter to have success, or you don't have to be this famous person to have success on YouTube. All you got to do is be yourself and record your content on a on a weekly basis at least. Okay, I say daily, but I mean weekly at least. Okay, you want to make sure that you're recording your content. Once you record your content, right, there's other sources and format, and well, not formats, but there's other AIs that you could use to help you grow your channel as well. Okay, not only do I use vidIQ, but I also use Opus Clips. Okay, for those who don't know what Opus Clips takes my long format content and it cuts it into short format. When it does that, it also adds captions. Some of you probably have seen my last few shorts or not. That's done by Opus Clip AI technology. Okay, I can't stress that enough, how AI technology is the future. AI technology is going to be relevant more and more and more every day. It is imperative that whoever's listening to this, whoever's watching this video, you hop on the train and don't get left behind. I strongly recommend that you click the link in my bio, okay, and set yourself up. That way you could have success now, going into the future. Okay, AI will cut your time down by so much, it's crazy. Okay, the biggest issue that people have about starting a YouTube channel, right, or being consistent, which is they go hand in hand, it is time. They don't have enough time. vidIQ solves that problem for you. You don't need a lot of time. AI solves that problem for you. Okay, so definitely, I would definitely strongly recommend you guys check out vidIQ. Okay, but also check out Opus Clip as well. Okay, OPUS Clip. But vidIQ is the now and is the future. Okay, there's no other program like vidIQ out there, and honestly, I've looked. Right, there's other ones like TubeBuddy and stuff like that, but vidIQ is like, it has again the coaching, it has the stats, the numbers, based off of your channel. There's nothing that you can connect to your channel in YouTube that's as equally as good as vidIQ. Nothing. Okay, and I've looked. So a lot of people, when they ask me these questions, like where I be getting my customers from, word of mouth is nice. It is. Okay, I would say word of mouth is number 2 on my list. Number 1 is social media. Okay, 1, social media, 2, word of mouth. Okay, and then 3, possibly going door to door. I'm not sure about that one. Location. So it just depends on where you are, and then you can go that way, right? Like everybody's scenario is different. All right, so yeah, guys, also I posted a live video on vidIQ, so check that out. It's live, but I also wanted to make a regular video for you guys, just to have that content to the side as well. Okay, obviously I'll be using Opus Clip to clip this, but yeah, guys, if you ever have any questions on any of my videos, please click that link in the bio, or sorry, if you have any questions, please drop your question below, but definitely hit that link in the bio and give this video a thumbs up. All right, I try to answer all questions on all videos the best I can, especially my lives, because I do a lot of Q&As, all right, to help you guys out with your journey. But just understand, if you're watching this video, you have a YouTube channel. All you got to do is record what you do every single day, okay? And post that content appropriately, okay? You got to title it appropriately. The first thing that people look at is your thumbnail, then your title. Okay, you got to understand that. So what you got to do is make sure you're taking the appropriate pictures for your videos. That's number one, not the video. Number one is making sure you have appropriate title or thumbnails for your videos. Number two is going to be the title. After the title, then you have the content. Okay, so understand the order. It is what it is. All right. I got a lot of big things planned for you guys. Like I said, like I plan on going over other AI pieces of technology, AI formats and stuff like that. Different ways to make money, all that good stuff, okay? But I wanted to come to you guys today on making money for beginners, okay? Using AI. Okay, this is definitely a huge W for anyone who takes this advice. Okay, this is a W for anyone who takes this advice, because you could do this anywhere and everywhere. Anywhere and everywhere. Okay, you can make money online, but this piece of technology literally helps you so much more that it'd be crazy not to do it. Truly, okay? I truly believe if you're watching this video, you should be coaching somehow, creating content, right? And or watching content to learn. You should be doing those three, okay? Coaching, creating, or watching. You should be using this social media for to benefit you as much as possible. Okay, YouTube can benefit you like crazy. Affiliate marketing can benefit you like crazy. All right. Again, guys, make sure you click that link in the bio, sub up to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.